In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable camera access on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down and select the privacy tile. So go ahead and select that on this page. And now directing our attention over to the left side, underneath App Permissions, select Camera. And then on the right side, versus camera access for this device is on, go ahead and select Change. Make sure it's toggled to the on position. So if it said it was off, make sure it's now turned on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.